Welcome to User Experience Design 1. I'm your instructor, Mark Bonasso, and I teach in the Visual Communications Department for the User Experience Design degree. This is an advanced level course, and there are several prerequisites for this class, so make sure that you check those in the syllabus and verify that you've taken all of the prerequisites. So you were first introduced to the goal-directed design process back when you took Prototyping 1, which is a user-centered design process explained in the book About Face by Alan Cooper. In the User Experience Design 1 class, we are going to basically live in that process, at least for the first 4.5 phases of that design process. The rest of the process will be continued in User Experience Design 2. You'll be given a User Experience Design project brief for a mobile app concept that needs to be developed. Then as you progress through the competencies in this course, you'll be stepping through the phases of the goal-directed design process and learning to execute the important aspects of these phases in order to begin fleshing out the creation of your app concept. Let me give you a brief overview of the competencies that we'll be covering in this class. Competency 1. Here, you'll get a refresher on the goal-directed design process through identifying aspects of the design process in case studies, as well as looking at other user-centered design processes. In Competency 2, we start stepping into the design phases, and this first one is called the research phase. Here you will begin to gather data about your potential target audience for your mobile app concept through various methods, including real live user research. Competency 3, we're going to shift into the modeling phase, where you're going to begin crafting your user personas, which will be based on the research that you did in the previous competency, as well as creating some workflow diagrams for some early visualization of the big picture. Moving now into Competency 4, we're going to be tackling the requirements phase. Here you will work through the requirements definition process that is outlined in the About Facebook, using the data and deliverables that you have gathered so far. This phase and the next phase are what will help translate your models that you have crafted in Competency 3 into actual design solutions. And lastly, Competency 5, the framework phase. The design framework is comprised of the interaction framework and the visual design framework. We're only going to focus on the interaction framework for this particular class. The design framework is how we will define the overall structure of the user's experience. So there's your roadmap for the User Experience Design 1 class. I encourage you to jump in with both feet and have fun and enjoy the class.